Hello, everybody. This is Minister Tama Praise King. This is another episode of Ties of Evolution. Today we've got our guest, Mr. Lindo Gushe. So, Mr. Lindo Gushe, how are you, brother?
Ngiyaphila futhi.
Unjani, brother? Where are you coming from, brother?
Mina igama lami uLindo Kuhle ngokuhlala ngakhulela eKatlehong ngokuhlala ngisephumula.
Oh, mfana wasePhumula.
Phumula.
So, Phumula.
Yeah.
So, I hear that your name is Skimato. Where does the name Skimato come from?
Igama elithi Skimato leli ngathola ekhempini njengoba bengihambile ngekhempini. Futhi laphayana amafoni kade bangawafuni yabo. But mina bengikwazi ukuphatha yami ifoni ngiyilande ngiphinde ngibusele la bekhona. Manje babathi ngumaskito ngena ngembobo yesikhiyi.
So busha ama-Mission Impossible.
Ngisho ama-Mission Impossible nokuhlupha bengihlupha.
Yeah. So manje manje ukuganga kwakho nje manje ngiyabona ukuthi manje sola eThembeli Chapel House. So how is it like eThembeli Chapel House?
La eThembeli Chapel House so far mina for mina ngeke ngikhulume kakhulu yabo, but benga-expect-anga ukuthi ngizothola free house like ezoba discipline ngale ndlela we-strict ngale ndlela le engakhona manje yabo. Yeah, but yona ingitshintshile yona. Ngakwazi nokuthi ngisithole ukuthi ungubani.
Plus ngiyabona ukuthi namanje soshaya nama-music video like so interpreta ingoma lapha soshuta ama-video lapha. Udoda uyasebenza like manje through that experience leyo nje uzizwa njani nje like ukwenza into ezinjalo la?
Ngiyajabula mfethu because nale music video le ebengiyishuta yokuqala yabo, ilento le Choose Life. Futhi bengirelate kuleya ngoma leyana yabona. Bengirelate because vele izinto eziningi engidlule kuzo leziyana. Ezenzeka lapho.
So you were relating with
the music video.
So actually you were relating with the song.
With the song, yes.
So how is it like relate njani nalo ngoma leyo like kahle kahle?
Shoot wonke ama-lyrics alapha yonke into ebhaliwe laphayana ikhuluma ngami yabo.
Phela ngiyabona laphana ngaphethe amaketani laphana. It's like you are fighting with the addiction, like you are fighting with like watching there's secret demons. So it's like you're fighting and you're breaking away from the spirit of the addiction, like you're changing away from people. So manje like what was the message like you try to send with the music video?
Le music video le message bengisenda bengisende ukubonisa ukuthi abantu siyakwazi ukushintsha, we do recover yabo. Because I'm the evidence ukuthi manje njengoba ngila ngibuye ebunzimeni mina since mabheka nale music video le iyakhuluma ukuthi bengistruggle shuthi manje bokunzima le nale DUC le bengibhema shuthi ngathini DUC track of my choice. Le bengibhema egqilaze kakhulu ngaba nzima ukuthi ngibheka agcina sengithi enough is enough manje. Let me break the chain. Ukuze ngikwazi ukushintsha impilo yami because ngasendlini ubona ozala bakaloku ababhizi akhala. Ukubhema kwami ngaphandle bokungathi ukubhema umzali wami endlini ngaphakathi bokulimala yena kakhulu mangiloke ngibhema.
So would you say now you are a changed man and you have overcome this addiction?
I've overcome this addiction. I'm a changed man because namanje for 4 years couple of months clean. Angihambile le ndlela le. Yeah, there's no turning back.
So like ama-steps akho amaphi la wathathileyo ukuthi like udecide ukuthi manje so uyashintsha like uyayiyeka le drug le uyisebenzisa like?
Ukuzitshela yabo, masitshelile ukuthi enough is enough ngoba ayikho into impumelelo yalento le besibhema bekugqilaza nje kahle kahle kusebenzela yona kuphenduka nje isigqila sayo. Yabo masitshelile ukuthi lento le ngiyayeka masuzwile na ukuthi avele manje lento ngiyayeka uzoyiyeka. Kumele uzitshele mamuthi ukuthi into kanjani ngisayifuni. Ngeke uzojabulela ukuhlupheka uhluphekile uhlupheke mara awuyiboni ukuthi usebenzelani.
So manje what was that one experience that you experienced like into wagqitha kuyo or kukuyo in a certain point or in a certain way, then the mindset yokuthi uthi manje hayi sengifuna ukuyeka yini like yayenzakala ukuthi la ucabange lento ukuthi hayi manje ngifuna ukuyeka?
Ayi phela nginomntwana ne. Eish umntanami bengimbona makaloku akhula and bengisho ukuthi vele le nto le kahle kahle usathane uyangihlebela unamaqhinga. Ubhizi uma ubhizi lokucula le ngoma uthi angizoyeka kusasa, angizoyeka kusasa. Ile mo loku ubhema naye loku ibhizi loku ingena kakhulu, uyabona loku uphanda uthola imali kakhulu. Ngagcina ngibona ukuthi hhayi manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ngiyeke nomntanami sakayakhula napha nangapha endlini unozala loku ubhizi uyangikhuza yabona angisalali nasezindlini sengumuntu ogcwala istrata. Yabona sengifunwa abantu bafuna iy'mali sengumuntu manje yabona ugijima ungena ngefensi kunegeyidi ejaridini makabe ngingena ngefensi kumele ngikuze. Ekuseni kumele ngivuke kucala ekuseni maybe ngabe u-4 ngiyaphuma ukuthi manje bangangiboni la bantu engibagolodayo laba engibagolodayo. Ngagcina ngibona noma ngisagcina ngihamba iy'bhedlela i-stress yabo sakaphuza namapilisi and mina ngikhuliswa i-single mother yabo. Ngigcina ngibona ukuthi phela le akusiyimpilo le engiyiphilayo kanje. Mara ngathini uNkulunkulu engipha amandla yabo ukuthi at least ngithole leyo opportunity ukuthini ngikwazi ukuya e-rehab because baningi abantu aba-aplayile e-rehab akusiwo noma ubani abamvumelayo ukuthi angene. Kuya ngokuthi uthandaza kanjani because baningi vele abantu aba-aplayile amafayili aze angaka laphaya. Ba-aplayile abanye abantwana abafuna ukuyekela vele yabo. Mina ngaba grateful uNkulunkulu vele wangibona wangiphendula umthandazo wami. Ngathola leyo opportunity ukuthi vele thi ngiye e-rehab ngiyekele. Buka i-first rehab yami ngayeka kayi-1 i-rehab. Ngayekela ngaba ukuyekela kwami vele ngoba vele bese ngizitshelile.
So like the time ubusayisebenzisa like le drug like ubusebenza or like what were the things that you would do like ukuthi uyifumane le drug?
Bengaphikisi umsebenzi. Bengaphikisi umsebenzi because vele kumele vele ngithole lesi kumele ngilale ngibhemile, kumele ngivuke ekuseni ngibhemile. Manje bengaphikisi umsebenzi bothi masitobha igubhu sidobha igubhu, bothi masijampe la sijampe la. As long nje ngizoba right ngithole imali ngibheme. Mina bengaphikisi umsebenzi.
So now yini like owalahlekelwa yizo like through the journey le yokubhema uyibhema yini like into owalahlekelwa usho ukuthi like ngathi ungabuyisela isikhathi emuva like ukhona ukuba nayo futhi?
Ngalahlekelwa isithunzi. Ngoba manje isithunzi siyaphuma vele maloku uhamba estradeni. Ngisho vele before uzobhema before ngingakabhemi benginesithunzi bengihlonipheka yabo umuntu ohlonishwayo. Ngathi vele masengingene kangaka kakhulu fok akusanandaba nabantu yabona. Ngigcine sengizithola manje vele sengiloyo muntu loyo. Ngalahla isithunzi sami nabangani vele most abangani mina namanje anginamngani. Kunabantu nje engiphilisana nabo but akekho umuntu engizothi lo mngani wami athi ngivuke ngiyokuba. Abangani nabo bangilahlekela bashona vele basaseku-addiction. Bashona basabhema vele abanye bafela edradini.
So like I don't know whether you mind or ngikubuza bra ukuthi like what were the substances that you were using? Like were you using only one drug? Let's say for example maybe you're using crystal or maybe you're using Yaupe or maybe you're using whatever cocaine or whatever there, a drug that is there. So like easy plug.
Mina ukuqala kwami siyisebenzisa ngaqala ngokubhema iNyaupe. Ubhema iNyaupe ngathi roko. Ngisho kumele idawunise le nto le iNyaupe ibikhathaza. Ngicala ngeNyaupe ngathi roko. Ngabona ukuthi iroko lingiqedela imali yabo. Ngayenzani nga-upgrade ngayobhema i-crystal. Ngabona ukuthi lezi zinto lezi azingisebenzeli ngigcine sengizijova. Sengihlanganise ilento ithayi ne-crystal.
Like when from the beginning, like from the beginning, from the start, like yini kahle kahle yenza ukuthi uvele udecide ukuthi manje ngizobhema? Was it an influence ukuthi maybe you're going through some stuff or was it an influence ukuthi maybe friends in a way?
Mina ngaze ngathi ngilele ekuseni ngathi ngifuna ukuvuka ngibhema ama-drugs. Ngeke ngithi ngi-influence abangani futhi. So ukubhema kwami mina ngadlela umona kahle kahle. Yabo omakhelwane bangidlela umona nabantwana bakhona bangidlela umona yabo. Then bangithalela uvimba. Okay, ukuqala kwami ukubhema besizikhiphile sephathini namajita like bengumuntu obhema izolo. Ya, yabona. And then njengoba sisikhiphile kanje sibhemeni sangokanjalo, ujita oyi-one yena angazi uyenzeni isango yaze avele ifasiwe, yabona uma sesidakiwe insango uma seyifasiwe awungeke uze uyivule ukuthi inani, yabona asiyikhuphulo yengqondo, ikhuphulo yengqondo ukuthi ungangibhemisa into ekaso wena yabo. Kanti isipayikwe ngiyithaya ngenyawo vele, inyawo phela khona li-strong phela bhathuphula ikhisa i-turmeric. Yabo mina ngiqala kwami ukubhema ngabhema kanjani, ngathi ukuvuka kwami kusa-16 ngavuka ngigula ngenye indlela. Ngavomitha, akungeni ukudla, angazi ibhabhalazo or yini, ngithi ngiphuza ibhiya ayingeni. Same person vele lo ngibhemisa izolo wabuya na-same stuff athi nayi into ezokulapha uzoba right. Yabo, bhema lezolo, nami uma ngiyibhema lezolo ngaba kuqhaqheka kwami ngaba normal. Ngambuza ukuthi yini le, angitshela ukuthi hhayi into ekanje nakanje nakanje nakanje, yabo. Sekumele ngi-accept-e ukuthi yo sengingenile and le nto le bengiyazi ukuthi injani because one of my big brother bakabhema le nto and besingathandani, besingashayisani. Bengimbona nje kuwumuntu oyi-useless like bengimkhuluma kabi, yabo. Bengazi ukuthi nami ngizozigcina ngizithola sengibhema la kule situation le akuyo, yabo. Kanti bangishaya bangibopha but angeke ngiziblame ngoba ezinye izinto it's God's will, yabo. Ezinye izinto utholukuthi ukungena kwami lapho kuyintando kaNkulunkulu, but naku namanje ngentando yakhe futhi ukwazile ukungikhipha yangiphisa open-chance futhi kuyindlela yabo kumele ngihambe.
So kahle kahle wena like mangibuza nje kahle ukuthi like ubheme isikhathi esingakanani?
Mina ngibhemile boma-18 years.
18 years?
Ngibhemile 18 years, hayo angisukumezile ama-drugs for 18 years. Ngazothola uncedo 2023 kekela kwami. Hhayi ukuthi bengingafuni ukuyekela like sometimes ukubhema, yabo, le nto seyibhema seyingenile iba mnandi but awuyi-enjoy. Iplug lakhona limnandi just nje into ongeke uzi-enjoye kulokhu kuyisebenzela.
So would you say like you were in a prison like?
Yeah, in a prison because yayisebenzela vele. Yayisebenzela. Ngeke uze uthi athi ngilale angithi ngingabhemi namhlanje or imvula iyanetha. Or imvula iyanetha ekuseni ngaboma-4-5 iyanetha imvula ucedile uzitshela ukuthi athi ngirelax-e angeke ngibheme namhlanje. Uthatha iplastiki le-dustbin uphume kanjalo. Uyotshontsha le nto oyibonile kuphi kuphi ukuthi ubheme. Hhayi yona yagcilazana, lele ngithi itimoni.
So wena in the process of in this 18 years yokubhema wake waboshwa nje?
Mina ngake ngaboshwa, ngabuka kaboshwa mina. Ukuboshwa kwami izintonyana ezincane, yabo. Ngake ngaboshwa kuphelele emacourt.
So did you ever experience yokushaya i-community?
Umphakathi? Angikaze ngishaywe umphakathi. Ngiphunyuka bamphethe. Angikaze ngishaywe umphakathi.
So manje ngiyalibona nje igama likaSkito silivela kuphi.
Angikaze ngishaywe umphakathi.
Most yamajita ngithi bayasho ukuthi no, mina ukuthi ngigcine sengicabanga ukuthi ngiyeke ukubhema. Ngacabanga ngabona ngifunwa i-community or ngangiqeda ukushaya i-community.
Mina umphakathi bengiwuphilela, nokuganga bengingagangela lakhe elokishini. Bengigange emafemini la ngazi khona ukuthi izinto zabo ngeke bazikhalele, yabo. Bengigange emakhampanini, emafemini la kungamafemu khona. Ukuthi ngize ngingene ejaridini lomuntu omnyama angikaze ngiyenze.
So manje benazi njani like vele ngikhulume ngisolidakazi kahle kahle benicaba njani ukuthi lapha kule ndawo eseMesono kule dulasi esokole efunekayo endaweni ethilezo?
Ngisho manje yabona sinokumayizisa sihlangathi sidobhe igubhu lapha emafemini, yabona. Sikhulume nama-security sibheke i-strategy sabo ukuthi basebenza kanjani, baxoxa kanjani, isikhathi esiso ushaya isithupha laphayana, yabo. Sesiyazi ukuthi laphayana so naso bese sibheka nendawo esizohamba kuyo. Masilokhu sindlula nje emafemini subhekile ukuthi nazali.
Kahle kahle amajita mathi mayasiwabona amajita emanengene emayadini abantu emanengene ey'ndaweni kahle kahle sukuthi uyofuna iguphi.
Hhayi,
kahle kahle ucheck-isayo i-post ukuthi yini engingayifumana lapha ebhayisini.
injalo. Lalo uma ungibhizi ejaridini lapho uthi uzothatha igubhu, ngiyabheka ukuthi yini engathi ilahlile la ebhadala phela igubhu
Phela
asibhadali.
lapha phandle lapha kunomagobholithi bomama bethi lapha ufikele ukuthi umjiti uyangena umjiti athayi bagqiza noma ungangikanje 5 times or clipper ngokushayela nje iyadi. Kahle kahle umjiti akazange ngishilo ukuthi soklina iyadi.
Umjida if like usho kanjalo ukuthi uzoshaya iyadi, ubhekile iyadi but if akuna-nex azoyithola lapha ejaridini, angeke aze aphume nayo. But if uma kukhona something vele ayibonile, nakanjani uzoyibuyela ngasikhathi, uzoyibuyela the day makashayekile.
So phela in a way we are bringing awareness to our parents there, to the community.
Kanjalo.
You find that ukuthi awumakokolothi uba like ithi ngisize lo ngane ukuthi i-job yani kuzomzama. Kanti ekuthini ukuzama umuntu kanti naye uyazishaya especially kahle kahle le mishini yasekuthi uze ngayo le ndawo le uzoshaya nje kuyoklina iyadi uzobheka ikhosi ukuthi okay iduna sikhona kule ndawo lena ngezikhathi kuzobuya kuzoyithanda.
Imisebenzi yabantu ababhemayo, imisebenzi ye-addiction kahle kahle leyo yabo, singama-manipulator futhi phezu kwalokho, wangithola?
So my brother ngiyakuzwa man, speaking about your journey ukuthi waqala ukubhema nini wenzani. So manje ngifuna nje ukubuza ukuthi like manje like we say you are a new creature, you are a new creature, you are the new Lindokuhle.
Lindokuhle.
Awusekho
Mosquitoes lala ema-halfway house, igama lasema-halfway house lelo. Bayazi ukuthi i-information ifikelela kimi kucala.
So manje ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi in the next 1 year or next year, next 5 years, like what's your plan? Because I see now I've seen you around, around. I've seen you with you are working on your life. I've seen you like with those dedicated to there, always making sure that you are there, trying to perform at your best. So you are even now must be as my YouTube channel is born. Now we are in the podcast now. So we are seeing your music videos like it's more like a storytelling music video. You're telling a story. It's like you're bringing awareness to the community. It's like you're showing people there is still a way, there is still life.
There's still
Those who are still using, they can still overcome the addiction.
Inshallah.
So now I'm gonna do in the next 5 years, next 12 months. What is your plan? What are your goals? What's your aim? What are you aiming for?
For now mina into engayisho yabona, since vele sengi-new born again yabo. uNkulunkulu uye uzongiplenela ukuthi ungiplenelele. Angeke ngiziplenele ngoba ngahluleka mina ukuthatha eyami indlela ngithi ngiyaziplenela. So manje sengihamba nge-God's will. Uye uzongishanelela yonke into uzoyikhanyisa ngaphambili.
So kahle kahle wena usindisiwe wena kahle kahle.
Ngisindisiwe kahle kahle.
Okay. So now you are born again. So now I wanna get the topic ukuthi since when you are born again usindisiwe. So you're saying now outside the you're forgetting about your goals and what and now you're depending on uNkulunkulu. So manje wena kahle kahle mawucabanga nje ukuthi yini like into kaNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho manje since you started this journey ukuthi you are sober minded, you are clean now, you're no longer using that.
Ukuhlala kwami ukuba clean ne. Ukuhlala kwami ukuba clean ngibonile ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangikhanyisela kwezinye izinto eziningi. Just nje kuhlala just nje ukuba clean and sober. Because indlela zakhe sengizibonile yabo, ezinye vele sengiwatholile namafruit akhona, amanye ngiyawadla, amanye ngisazowadla. Amafruit we-recovery. Those are fruits of recovery. Hhayi lokhu kuyangikhanyisela namanje vele ukuphuma kwami la e-halfway house la eThembelisha ngina-something la ngizokumele ngiye khona. Ngentando kaNkulunkulu yonke into izaba right.
blessed, and may God be with you in every way of your life. In any way, may God be with you. So I just want to ask you something. I heard you ukhuluma ndodakazi yakho, your daughter.
Yes, my
So
daughter.
like now, how's the relationship with your daughter since you are sober like now?
Relationship nencosi yami emnandi blind
Because what
manje
I've recognized that you love your daughter.
kakhulu
So manje, how is the relationship? How is the bond?
ijabulile ingane encane cause yabona le time ngisayuza ne
Yeah.
bakasaba nokuthi ngubabakhe cabanga. Hhayi ukuthi bayangangithandi yabo, just manje yazi ukuthi abantwana abancane banjani, bayathanda ukuhlekana, bayathanda ukukhuluya yabo. Cause si-two thina ekhaya bafana bakathi ubabakhe le second born, si-two ekhaya bafana bakathi ubabakhe second born, but manje u-proud ngami yabo, yakwazi ukungikhomba athi nangu ubaba.
How does that make you feel?
Mfethu yangijabulisa mfethu yabona, yangijabulisa cause vele uzalwe yimi nami manje kumele ngimbonise indlela. Yabona ukuthi baba utshintshile. Yeah.
So now I want you to speak with the brothers and sisters who are watching us there. Do you have any words of encouragement, any prayer for them, any motivation?
Encouragement enginayo mina yala bafethu laba ababhemayo ne. Yeah, bafethu, we do change bafethu, we do recover bafethu ne. And ama-fruits e-recover akhona, but ungathi masuyekelile expect ukuthi izinto zakho zizoyenzeka ngesipidi. Kufuneka ubekezele empilweni, ubekezele. Ayikho into ezoyenzakala ngentando yakho. Kumele wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokupha izinto zakho lezi wena ozifisayo. Kumele ube patient empilweni and uzitshele. Ngoba ufuna ukuyekela, kumele uzitshele ukuthi manje sengikhathele lezi zinto lezi ngoba azikisi indawo. Ungayibhema uyibheme uzijampe amafenki uzibize ngo-whatever mara okusalayo isicathulo siyobe sihlezi sitshekile yabo. Ngeke uye ndawo ngempilo, ayikho impilo lapho.
So we thank you, brother, for your words of encouragement and motivation for the brothers and sisters out there. So whoever ufuna ukufumana, ufuna ukukhuluma nawe, angakubamba kuphi like?
Umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma nami mina angangibamba ngomakunini makangithola yabo, or angene lapha epage-ini lami, or angene kulo lona le page leli ku-Ties.
Of Evolution.
Ties of Revolution. Share amanamba akho laphayana kuma-comment. U-comment ubhale ukuthi yini inkinga yakho, singakunceda nalapho ngoba nathi sinokubuye sizibheke vele sibheke ukuthi bakhomente bathi ngicedile makuvele izinto ezikanje ngakwazi ukukunceda.
Siyabonga. And everyone, thank you for watching the episode. That was Ties of Evolution episode with Brother Lindo Kuhle. Siyabonga kakhulu. Stay focused and keep on pushing until something happens. And then I want to tell you something as brother Tabo Praise King. Pray until something happens. Keep on pushing. There is light at the end. Whatever that you are going through, just know that there is God and there is nothing that is impossible for God. And God bless you. Bye.
Bye.